not gonna eat it. The sugar on the bottom, Mom.
Enough?
Yeah. You have some.
Nice.
A little bit watery and a bit cold, and you like my cakes puff up. Drink, drink. Cheers. That's a loud one. Okay, you were almost up to me. Well, what should we do? What should we make for our craft together?
I don't know. What do you want to do on the weekend? Actually, tell me all about your day again. What did you do this morning?